and welcome everybody. This is Forex Trading for Beginners. This is FXPassion broadcasting you live on YouTube. We are running late today, 2 minutes. So our goal for you is to become consistently profitable minimum 3 months, knowing when, how and why you make, and especially you should know when, how and why you lose money. You should not be allowed to trade with real money until you reach the goal. What is the goal? To become consistently profitable. If you are not going to listen to us, here is the risk disclaimer. Don't trade with real money. You cannot afford to lose, and the webinars are not investment advice. They are for educational purposes only. Your job is to question everything and don't be fooled after you understand and master all the things. Trading is 80% emotional and only 20% technical. So in order to be successful at trading, you need to have your mind, set of rules, a strategy or a system, and your heart. You need to manage your emotions in the right place. Remember, if being consistently profitable is difficult, you probably still have things to learn, and if your way is not working, why don't you try ours? Remember, 90% of traders who makes it between the 3rd and the 5th year of learning. For additional coaching or training, or just questions, everybody, if you want to ask questions, send an email, or you can contact me on Skype or LinkedIn. That being said, let's dive into the live markets. We had homework from yesterday. Did anybody do the homework? Homework was choose your trading time frame and choose your confirmation time frame. Did anybody choose any time frames? Remember, you should know that the daily, okay, if you are trading on the daily, let me see, this is the chart, not this one, this is not, still EuroCAD, not here, maybe, not this one, and 4 hours, not this one. Okay, so this is where we were talking about EuroCAD. I did, but not fully decided. Hello Igor, how are you? Or Igor, how are you? Okay, Miguel, what are you thinking about? What time frame? Tell me, I can help you. Between what time frame are you deciding to be your trading time frame, Miguel? Are you deciding between the 15-minute chart and 1 hour, between 1 hour, 4 hours, between 4 hours daily, weekly? So we can talk about what time frames are you thinking about. I have a suggestion, everybody. If you are a beginner trader, it doesn't matter institutional or retail. If you are a complete beginner trader, go trading from the 4-hour chart. And Miguel is saying 2 possibilities, 30 minutes and 4 hours, or 1 hour and 1 day. Miguel, easy answer. My suggestion for you, go trade on 1 hour and have daily as a confirmation. Okay, why is that? Remember yesterday everybody, we said that on the smaller time frame you are going to have more waves. Remember? Let me find the maybe it's this one. Let me find, I don't remember. No, not this one. I want to find the chart here. This is it. This is from 2 days ago, multiple time frames, and we said that on the smaller time frame you are going to have more opportunities, right? Because the market is going to make more waves. But there is a but, right? But the smaller time frame, everybody, has more the so-called noise. The smaller the time frame, the more noise you are going to have. What is noise? Noise is the market not obeying to the concepts and not obeying to the rules. This is noise. For example, if we say, okay, we say that to earn pips, in an uptrend, right? We should buy the, this is just an example, we should buy the counter trend line breaks, right? And we said, well, these concepts apply to any time frame, which is correct. Oh, but if you are going to trade on the smaller time frame, like 15-minute chart, on 30-minute chart, because you are going to have more waves and more trend changing, everybody, you are going to experience what? You are going to put a counter trend line break on the 30-minute chart, and the market is going to go up a little bit and break you down, right? And you are going to put another counter trend line break like this, and the market is going to do what? It's going a little bit up and still down. So this is noise. This is noise. Noise is where the market doesn't obey, or where the concepts and the rules don't work. Now this is the tricky part. Rules and concepts always work. It's just that the market is going to give you false signals, everybody. Like a false breakout, like a false counter trend line break, like a false candlestick formation. And there is a reason why the market is doing that on the smaller time frame, because of this. Because of the rule and the concept that the higher time frame is going to control the smaller time frame, right? So if you're a beginner trader, everybody, and you don't know what time frame to choose, I'm telling you, start trading from the 4-hour chart. Oh, Passion, I don't want the 4-hour chart. Well, go on the 2-hour chart and make the daily time frame as your chart of your confirmation chart. Okay? Passion, can I trade on the 15-minute chart? Yes, you can, but the 15-minute chart is not suitable for the beginner trader, number one. Number two, you are going to experience a lot of noise. Okay? So if you're going to get back crying, oh, Passion, I lost, and you are on the 15-minute chart, well, you know the answer, everybody. Okay, there is a lot of noise on the smaller time frames. Trends that are not trends, structures that are not structures. Okay, there is always something on the smaller time frames. So yes, you can, but it's not suitable. Sorry, I'm late, no problem. Thought I feel more comfortable with the 4-hour. Yes. Go trade on the 4-hour chart, Miguel, and have the daily to be your confirmation time frame. Okay? So today today we're going to learn concepts about multiple time frames trading. Okay, great. So we are going to go in the live market. So give me a currency pair, everybody, and let's trade today. Give me a currency pair, let's trade today. We're going to talk about multiple time frame trading. Okay, so let's trade today. AUD NZD. Yes sir, AUD NZD. Okay, AUD NZD. Did the market hit your stop loss, Eddington? Did the market hit your stop loss? So this is the 4-hour chart, right? Okay, this is the 4-hour chart. Why the 4-hour chart? We are going to take Miguel's choice. So this is the 4-hour chart. Okay. What is the market doing right now, everybody? What is the market doing? Are we in an uptrend? Are we in a downtrend? I'm talking about structure. This is the 4-hour chart. What can you read from this chart? Are we in an uptrend or are we in a downtrend? Yes, I had a cancer replaced, so it took me out while I was still in profit. Great. Okay. Why AUD NZD is falling? Well, Because yesterday we have a news announcement from New Zealand, the quarterly report, and it was good for New Zealand. This is why the New Zealand, the NZD is stronger than AUD. And tonight, my time, I don't know where you live, tonight or today or tomorrow morning if you live in China, you are going to have the AUD news release, so be careful. We are going to learn about news trading and how news trading reflects into the Fibonacci's and the structure and everything. Eddington says down trade, okay? So this is structure, right? So lower low, lower high, 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 lower low. This was structure on the downtrend, and then the market start going up. Higher high, higher low, higher high. And we are here right now, right? So we had two highs and two lows, and right now the market is changing structure. Okay, right now we are here. A lower low, the market is still falling, so this is where we are right now. Okay, this is structure. Question for you, everybody: should we go long or should we go short? There is no right or wrong in the markets. Should we sell the market because the news from yesterday, it was good for NZD? Should we go long because we are still in an uptrend? Or are we? This is a question. What should we do? And I didn't say no. You cannot use the last low. That low is not a structure anymore. Okay, but my question still remains, Eddington. Should I go short? Should I sell AUD NZD or should I go long? Should I buy AUD NZD? What should I do? And Miguel is saying the effect of the news lasts only 14 hours. Yes sir, yes sir. It's not 14, it's 7, Miguel. 7 hours. In my opinion, it's 7 hours. Okay. So this should tell you something, right? The news effect is over and the market is still falling. So should we sell? Should we go short? Should we go long? What should we do, everybody? Teacher Igor, Teacher Eddington, Teacher Miguel, we have a student. Should I go short or should I go long? What should I do? Check a higher time frame to confirm. Yes sir. So we are going to go on the daily time frame. Why? Because Eddington is saying, well, this picture is not clear anymore, right? We were in a structural uptrend and the market broke the structure low, so I don't know what is happening. We are going to go on the daily chart. Let's compress the daily chart as much as we can. So let's see what is happening, right? So this is the chart and structure. We have a low, high, low. This is structure on the daily, and right now this is structure. Why is structure here? Great question. Why is structure here? Structure is here because this is still a higher low. So this is still a higher low, everybody. Okay? So what does this mean? This means a few things. This could mean that we are in a possible sideways movement channel. Okay, it's a possibility, right? We were here. Okay, we were here, up and down, right? Up and down, most likely somewhere here. Okay, and we have, as you know, as you can see, we had trends inside trends, right? In between, the market was making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high, broke the downtrend line, start making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, broke the uptrend line, start making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and so on and so on and so on. But we are here right now, and this is the confirmation chart. This is the downtrend line, the long term from the daily, right? And this is another downtrend line, shorter maybe, I don't know. And what can we do? We can do an aggressive one like here, which the market broke, right? So this is structure right now, and we have an overall long uptrend line, because this is still, believe it or not, this is still a higher low. So let's color code this in red, and okay, we are still in a structural uptrend, 75%. It's not confirmed, we are missing a higher high. Okay, so this is, Miguel, this is your confirmation time frame. Okay, so what should we do? We are in a long-term uptrend. We have 75%, the structure is complete. Even the market felt in the past, it reversed, and this is still a higher low, right? And this is where we are right now. Okay, so Teacher Igor, Teacher Eddington, Teacher Miguel, should we go short, should we go long? Passion, you cannot put that red trend line on that low. Why not? Why not, Teacher Eddington? Why not? Maybe I'm wrong. Why not? I think you misunderstood. I would prefer, and I need to trade a 30-minute and confirm with 4 hours. You don't have a higher high to mark that as a low. Eddington, you don't need a higher high. But this is a fact. This is a higher low. I don't see any reasons I cannot do this. And this is why I'm saying that we have the structure at 75%, not 100, because we have 2 lows. The second is a higher low, and we are missing a higher high. You don't need everybody. Okay, so if this is the market right here, you don't need a higher high to draw the trend line. You can draw the trend line. Just be aware that this uptrend is not confirmed, but you can draw the uptrend line, Eddington. I agree, it is higher low, but the actual trend line is associated with the next lowest low before the highest high. Yes, structure, yes, no problem. So Miguel is telling, okay, I would prefer a 4-hour and 30-minute chart. Okay, even though everybody, so this is the daily. Okay, Miguel, what can you tell me about the daily? Igor, we are talking about how to use multiple time frames to trade. So on the 4-hour we are kind of undecided. On the daily, Teacher Eddington, Teacher Miguel, Teacher Igor, what should I do? Should I go short? Should I make a plan, prepare myself to go long? What should I do? Are we in an uptrend? Are we in a downtrend? What should I do? We have the overall long-term uptrend line, the red one. And be careful, Eddington is right, this uptrend is not confirmed yet. We are at 75%. So, $1,000,000 question, everybody. If the uptrend, the red line, is not confirmed, which trend line has the greatest force? Which trend line is next? Passion, I hate to keep on this, but it is fundamental and it confuses your students. Please draw the proper trend line. You will see it is still close, but is the real trend line. Eddington, I don't agree with you, my friend. I don't agree with you that this trend line is not okay. Let's go on the weekly. Let's go on the weekly chart. Let's compress the chart. Okay. Can I do this, everybody? Eddington is saying, no, you cannot do this. Can I do this right now? If you say no, why not? Can I do this? Or should I do just this? Uptrend line, market broke, downtrend line, the market broke, downtrend line, the market broke, the downtrend line, uptrend line, the market broke the uptrend line, downtrend line, the market broke the downtrend line, the uptrend line, the market broke the uptrend line, the downtrend line, the market broke the downtrend line, and the uptrend line, the market broke the uptrend line, and right now we are here. My question is, can I draw this one down here? Eddington say, no, this is not correct. I'm saying, okay, why not? The black uptrend line, can I do this, everybody? You can do what you want, but it is wrong. Okay, okay. I'm open to everything. Explain why, Eddington, to everybody, why is wrong. You should move that trend line up so that it touches the next lowest low right beside the all-time lowest low. It's just one trend line. So Eddington is saying, well, it should be like this. This is what Eddington is saying. It should be like this. And let's color code this in blue. Okay. Eddington, I'm going to explain you everything. Teacher Igor and Teacher Miguel, what do you think? Which one is right, which one is wrong? The trend line is a tool that confirms the trend. Now the question is, does the black trend line confirms the trend, or does the blue trend line confirms the trend? What do you think? Miguel says both. Eddington says blue. Of course, black is not confirmed. What do you think, everybody? Okay, let's remove this, and 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 this, right? So this is the concept. You have the market playing around, right? Playing around, right? Where does the trend line go? Well, the trend line is a tool that confirms the trend. Does the black trend line confirms the trend right now? It's just an example. This is theory, everybody. Yes, it confirms, right? Because we have structure low, and we have structure high, and we have structure low, and we have structure high, right? And we have structure low here near the trend line, and we have structure high. So this is the concept. What is the trend line? The trend line is a tool that confirms the trend. Okay. So now you have the second example. You have like this, something like this. Can you draw an uptrend line? Can you draw the uptrend line like this? Can you do this? You have two lows, but you are missing a higher high. Can you draw your trend line like this, everybody? Yes, no, maybe? Yes, so the answer is yes. You can draw this trend line because you have two lows. In the second low is a higher low, but you cannot say that you are in an uptrend, everybody. Okay, because you are missing this, right? You can project the uptrend line, but you cannot say that you are in an uptrend. Yes, but understand it is not on. Yes, sir, you are absolutely correct. Okay, so let's see the blue trend line. The blue trend line was conforming structure, structure, structure. The blue line, Eddington. Where is structure? Where is the uptrend? Where is the structure? Where is the uptrend? Higher high, higher low. Right? See, you have a higher high here, but what you have a lower high, right? And then you have a lower high, right? And then you have a higher high, and then you have again a lower high. So what's the difference between the blue line and the black line, everybody? This is the blue line. The black line structure is going to be black. 1, 2, 3. This is the black line. What's the difference in here? Teacher Eddington, what's the difference between the black line and the blue line? Teacher Miguel and Teacher Igor, what do you think? What's the difference between the blue line and the black line? Look at the pictures up here. What should the trend line do? The trend line is a tool that confirms the trend, uptrend or downtrend. The ellipse in the middle should not be in the structure, question mark. What do you think, Miguel? Black confirms the structure. Why is that, Teacher Eddington? Why the black confirms the structure? Why the black confirms the structure? Teacher Igor, what do you think, my friend? Which one is better, the blue or the black? What's the problem with the blue? What's the problem with the black? You cannot say, oh, Passion, both are wrong. You should draw a downtrend line. Remember, there is no right or wrong in the market, just different ways of looking at markets. And Miguel is saying it is lower than the next one. And Eddington, because the lowest low is the next point in the structure. Igor says black. Okay? So, what is the problem? Okay, can you draw the blue line? Yes, you can. You can draw the blue line. But what's the problem? The problem is in here, everybody, with the blue line. Because the blue line is telling you, oh, we broke structure, which we didn't. Okay? Which we didn't. Eddington is not incorrect. In some point in time, the blue line was correct. The blue line was okay until here. Until here the blue line was correct and you didn't have a black line. Okay, this was the blue line. Eddington was correct, but then what happened? The market broke the uptrend line, but you need to be patient and careful and identify, oh, this is it is a higher low, still a higher low, so I'm going to adjust my blue trend line like this, right? If you are living like this, you can enter in a false situation where you can think that the market is down. You can think that the structure is down, which is not, everybody. Okay, so we need to adjust the blue line like this. Okay, and still we are here in the second picture. We are in an overall uptrend, but it's not 100%. Why not? Because we need the market to make a structural higher high. Do we agree on that, everybody? Thank you, Eddington, for the questions. Please ask questions, everybody. If it's not clear, ask questions. Okay, we are here not to be, oh, I'm passionate and I'm 100% right. No, we are going to talk about it, right? Maybe I don't see something that you are seeing. Can you define the rule of moving the trend line? Yes, sir. You are going to adjust the trend line. So if the market is like this, right? So you have the uptrend line like this, and when the market breaks the uptrend line, are we in a downtrend, everybody? The market broke the uptrend line, are we in a downtrend? I thought we could not move the trend line until you had that confirmation of a higher high. Yes, Eddington, you are correct. I will repeat. This trend line is a projection. Okay, it's a projection, and it's a 75%. It's not 100%. It's a 75%. And Eddington said not necessarily yet. Igor said not yet. No, we are not in a downtrend, because even though the market broke the uptrend line, didn't break the structure low. So if the market goes like this, are we in a downtrend or are we in an uptrend, everybody? Golden nugget for you. The market went back up. Are we in a downtrend or are we in an uptrend? If the market breaks the uptrend line, are we in a downtrend or are we in an uptrend? Yes, sir, we are still in an uptrend, correct? So what if the market makes a lower low like here? Are we in an uptrend or are we in a downtrend? Everybody, you have two lower lows below the uptrend line. Are we in an uptrend? Are we in a downtrend? Teacher Igor, Teacher Miguel, what do you think? Still up, you have not broken the previous structure low. Yes, sir. Correct. This is still structure. This is structure. And the structure didn't change. Yes, sir. What if the market makes a higher high? What then? Market made a higher high. What we're going to do? We are going to adjust structure and we are going to change trend, but not 100%. Igor, no, it didn't change the trend until it breaks the structure. This is where so many traders beginner traders and seasoned traders. I've seen trader who has 12 years of experience losing trades because he was thinking that we are in a downtrend. This was not a downtrend, this was an up retracement because the market didn't break the structural low. And yes sir, then structure becomes, we need to adjust structure. So this is structure low and this is structure high. Congratulations Miguel. This becomes the new structure and we need to adjust the trend line. Okay. Eddington, did I answer your question about the concepts of moving the trend line? Yes, then you move the trend line but it's still in an uptrend. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Okay, great. What happens, Igor, this is for you, what happens if the market breaks the trend line and breaks the structural low? What now? Are we in a downtrend? Are we in an uptrend, Igor? This question is for you, Igor. Are we in a downtrend? Are we in an uptrend? The market broke the uptrend line, broke the structure low. What should we think now? To go short, to go long, to stay out, to go check a higher time frame, to find a structural trend on the smaller time frame? Not down yet. Yes sir, you are correct. And the market is going to make a lower high. What now? Are we in a downtrend? Are we in an uptrend, Igor? But Passion, when you are on a monthly or weekly, it's easy to see the structure, but on the lower time frame it gets difficult as you have so many highs and lows. How far back do you go to start structure? Easy answer, when you see the starting point of the trend. If this is the market, higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, higher lows, the market is playing around, right? Where do you start? Well, you are going to use the trend line and you are going to start up here, drawing the down structure, or if you are going to draw a downtrend line, right, and the market broke the downtrend line, you are going to start here, your up structure. Even though you have 300,000 highs and lows in between. Yes, and as Igor said, check the higher time frame. This is why I chose EuroCAD. Let me see, we are here now. EuroCAD monthly, not this one. Let me see if this one, right? This is EuroCAD Eddington daily chart. And the red line is structure. And you have trends inside trends. You have an uptrend on the daily, and in the same structure you have a downtrend on the daily, which is up retracement. Okay? You need to train this, everybody, and understand the concepts. Structure is defined by highs and lows, but not all highs and lows define structure. And Eddington is saying, well, it's a messy, it's difficult to spot structure, right? It's difficult to spot structure because you have so many highs and lows. How can I spot structure in here? Look at this mess. Well, you go find the trend. You go find the downtrend with your trend line. What is the trend line? Trend line is a tool that confirms the trend. So until here, EuroCAD daily chart, we were in a downtrend. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? And this high is wrong, so lower high is here and lower low. So this is the structure from the daily chart, downtrend. Broke the downtrend line, reversed, right? Broke the structure high, broke the structure high. So where do we start? Well, we start here in the beginning, right? What is structure? The structure clarifies the trend. Higher high, higher low. This is structure, right? And again, what happened? Do we have a higher high? Yes, we do. We have a higher high. Structure high. Do we have a higher low? Yes, we do. Structure low. Do we have a higher high? Yes, we do. Structure high, I think, yes. Just for a few pips. Do we have a higher low? Yes, we do. Structure low, so far. And as we saw, if the market is going to go deeper, making lower lows, structure low, we are going to adjust structure and the uptrend line. But Passion, when you are on a monthly or weekly, it's easy to see, okay, how far back, check, okay. Eddington, did I answer to you? Did I answer to your question? Where do you start? Is it clear, Eddington, where to start structure? You start structure in the beginning of the trend. Okay, now, we don't have a crystal ball, right? So it's easy for me to be FXPassion and give classes, right? But in some point in time, we were here, right? We were here. Can I draw structure right now? Can I draw structure on the daily chart, EuroCAD right now? It's easy to be smart, right? When you see the charts far away and back in time and in the future. But if this is the live market, can I draw the up structure right now? No. What do you think, Miguel and Igor? Can I draw structure right now? Eddington says no. What do you think? And we have a student asking, but teacher Eddington, the market broke the downtrend line. And the market is making higher highs and higher lows. And we have a student asking you, oh, but we have structure, it's here. Can I do this, everybody? Just did not break a previous structure high. What do you think, teacher Miguel and teacher Igor? Can I do this? Is this correct? Is this not correct? Our student has a point, everybody. The market did break the downtrend line. And Eddington said yes, but did not break the previous structure high. So yes, the answer is this, everybody. Can I do this? Yes, you can. But this is not structure and it's a projection. So this means nothing so far. Okay? This means nothing so far. If you are going to enter buying, you are buying here a down retracement. It's still a down retracement. And then the market went up and up and up, right? So right now, as Eddington is saying, the market did break the previous structure high, and right now you can draw the uptrend line, right, and you can start building your structure. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? So what happened here? Well, the market broke the uptrend line, right? Okay, so the market fall down here, right, and rose back up again. So even though you have a lot of highs and lows, this is structure: low, high, low, higher high. But I think that is correct. In the beginning it's difficult. You need to train your eyes. You need to see spatially the charts, right? Miguel, why not? Because this is the structure high of the downtrend. This one is the structure high of the downtrend. Until here, the market didn't break the structure high. This is why not. Okay? Passion, but does this mean that we are going to wait? No, absolutely not. We did the webinar last week, how to find structure trends. You can trade this one, no problem whatsoever. You can trade this. Just make sure that you are trading an up structure, an uptrend. How do you do this? As Miguel is saying, go check the smaller time frame. This may be an up retracement, down retracement on the daily, but also may be an up trend, an up structure on the 4-hour chart. Let me check the time, 10 more minutes. Okay, so let's go back here, and we are here right now, EuroCAD, right? Sorry, it was let me check. It was AUD NZD, AUD NZD, AUD NZD. Where are you? AUD NZD. Okay, I don't have it. No problem. Let's go back again. So AUD NZD, AUD NZD. There you go. 30-minute chart. If you're a beginner trader, everybody go trade on the 2-hour chart, 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart. Miguel is not a beginner trader, so he can go on the 30-minute chart and cross-reference and decide with the 4-hour chart. So, okay, this is the 30-minute chart. Let's compress the chart. Let's wait for the software to respond. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, yes, there is a lot of data. Okay, so, and again, let's wait for the software to answer. Okay, so we are here right now. Teacher Miguel, what can you read from this chart? This is AUD NZD 30-minute chart. What can you read from this chart? Low, high, low, high, right? Should we go short, everybody? Should we go long? Miguel choose that he's going to trade on the 30-minute chart. Miguel, I'm telling you right now, you are going to have a lot of noise, my friend. So you should address this factor in your trading when you are going to have losing trades, and you are going to see that this concept, they don't work, these rules don't work. Go find the noise. the false breakouts, the false structure, the false support and resistance levels. But you have a lower low. Eddington, what chart are you referring to? Miguel, this is your chart, my friend. Should we go short? Should we go long? What should we do? Should we buy? Should we sell? What should we do? Teacher Igor, Teacher Eddington, what do you think? Miguel is trading on the 30-minute chart. What should we do? Should we go short? Should we go long? The end of the chart is lower than your last structure low. Yes, sir. Absolutely yes. Yes, sir. Let's make a poll. Who in here thinks that we should sell this currency pair? Let's make a poll. And who in here thinks that we should buy this currency pair? On the 30-minute chart. Miguel, come on. This is your chart, Miguel. You are a trader. You are not a beginner anymore. Do you want to go short? Do you want to go long? Let's draw an aggressive trend line and let's draw even one more and let's draw like this. Okay? Should we go short? Should we go long? Should we wait for the market to retrace and sell then? What should we do? Which makes the high and low incorrect. Eddington, I'm not sure what are you talking about. And Igor says need to check the higher time frame. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Eddington wants to go long. Need to conform with the 4-hour chart. Okay? So this is 30 minutes. Let's go on AUD, NZD. 4-hour chart. But what is your bias, Miguel? What do you want? Do you want to go? What is this 30-minute chart, Miguel? What is this 30-minute chart telling you? Okay, I'm not asking you, oh, are you going to enter right now? But what is your plan? What is your plan, Miguel? Is your plan to go short when the time is right, or is your plan to go long when the time is right on the 30-minute chart? What is your plan? Okay, and then we are going to cross-check this plan with the 4-hour chart, right? And this is the 4-hour chart. Let's compress the chart. So we were in structure, 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 right? Remember, it's the same picture. And then we have structure, structure, structure. And let's color code this in black. This is the 4-hour time frame. Don't be afraid, everybody. There is no right or wrong, just different ways of looking at markets. Eddington wants to go long. Igor, I prefer to go long. I see a resistance. If I sell, I would choose to buy after more study. Okay, let's make it simple, everybody. What is this chart telling you? What is this chart? This is a 30-minute chart. What is this chart telling you? You are a beginner trader, you don't know nothing about the markets. What is this chart telling you? Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Karen Alfred Smith. I don't see downtrend. Down, yes. Short, yes sir, agreed. Thank you, teacher Karen. I hope that I pronounced your name correctly. Yes. So in here, what do we have? What do we have? Do we have everything to sell this downtrend, or should we wait? Short term, everybody, Miguel is right. Short term, this market is down. This market is down. Short term, maybe is up long term, but right now it's down. Short term is down. 30-minute chart, 4-hour chart, this market is down. Downtrend, yes sir. Okay, so if this is theory on the right, and we learned so far that the best entries are the counter trendline breaks near the downtrend line, do we have everything to sell the market? Counter trendline. Counter trendline. Miguel said, oh, I see resistance right now. Okay. Downtrend, yes sir. $1 million question, everybody. What must the market do here? What is a must? What must the market do right now? Golden nugget. What must the market do? Sooner or later. It's a must. There is only one thing that it's 100% in the markets. What do you think? We have 2-3 more minutes. Short. Karen, short is a position. What must the market do right now? You have only one certainty in the market. Only one. Teacher Miguel, teacher Igor, teacher Eddington. Retrace. Yes sir. Can you be more specific? Help Karen out. What should break the resistance first? No, not this. Eddington has the correct answer, but can you be more specific? No, not this one, Karen. Okay, I'm going to help you out because we are running out of time. The market must form a low. The market must form a low because the market is waving. After a high, the market must make a low. And after the low, the market must make a high. This is a must. This is 100%. Because without highs and lows, the market cannot wave. So, talking about trading, when the market is going to make a low, what is going to do? It's going to, as Eddington said, is going to retrace. Until where? We don't know, maybe resistance up here, but it's going to retrace until it makes what? A high. And after it's going to make a high, if fundamentally today we have a news announcement from Australia, after it makes a high, if nothing fundamental is going to change, then this is going to be the right place to put a counter trendline break, to put a counter trend line and sell this market and short this market on the counter trendline break. Okay, everybody. This is for today. See you back tomorrow. Homework: choose your trading time frame and your confirmation time frame. Okay? This is FXPassion broadcasting you live on YouTube, and stay strong. Everybody, watch these webinars over and over and over again. If you don't understand, watch the webinars over and over again until you understand. If you watch the webinar 3-4 times and you don't understand, send me questions. You have my contact. Thank you, Igor, no problem. I'm here for you, you know. So stay strong, trade with passion. This is FXPassion signing off.